Today we're at the inaugural Grassroots referee conference here at Valentine Sports Park. Well, I'm really happy to say that we're able to engage plenty of people from the regions this weekend. So we had people travel from Albury, from Dubbo, from Bathurst, as well as quite a few people from the Metro associations as well.
We decided to put on our first Grassroots Referees Conference this year to try and provide more accessible and consistent education. And the idea is to bring them in, allow them to hear from our more experienced New South Wales officials, but also people from the A-Leagues panel. And so this is part of our overarching or broad education framework.
I think it's fantastic for other people to learn from everyone else and to learn from the experts who have been around in the game for many years.
It's always so important to keep leveling up your skills because it's such an isolating experience being on the pitch. You're all by yourself. You're expected to know absolutely everything. So then to turn around and have someone who supports you and is giving you the information to push you further is always really inspiring.
I think different perspectives are always really important. There are games that, there's common themes throughout, but ultimately different areas have different challenges and they have different ways that they like to coach, the ways that they like to play, the ways that they like to referee, and having those different perspectives teaches you something else about what you can bring into your game, but also what they can take away from you.
You've definitely got to enjoy it. Like, it's the same with everything in football, but you've got to find what you like within the game, right? And be that coaching or playing left back, playing goalkeeper, playing striker, and people who really enjoy refereeing. I'd say to people that don't referee or are thinking about giving it a go, just jump in and give it a crack.
Prioritise coaching, whether that's asking for help or just listening to people talk. I encourage people to ask questions, to approach people of greater experience and greater skill than themselves. That's the best way to grow, to learn.
Especially where we are, our experiences are a lot different, and to be able to link in what we do, it's really great to identify that gap in learning, a gap in quality of refereeing, and so we can bridge it as much as possible out west.
For those coming or considering coming next year, get involved. It's not even a full day, it's around 3/4 of a day, and you get to hear from some of the elite referees in Australia, as well as learn some tips and hints that you can take home with you.
So not only do I recommend that referees come down to this event as well, I also invite association people and club people to come down, learn how you can better support your referees. Yeah, really put your heads together and figure out ways that you can continue to do the great work that you do.